Welcome to the tutorial session on handling multiple plans and plots in a project with AeroGCS GREEN. To get started, click on the home icon to create a project with a plot. Proceed by adding points to the plot using the Add Point option. Navigate the map to mark the points. To save the plot with project and plot name, click the Save button located on the right side of your screen. After successfully saving the plot, proceed to create a plan by selecting the Create Plan button. On the left side of the screen, users have the functionality to adjust the values of various parameters such as spray rate, spray altitude, flight speed and fence boundary in order to achieve precision spraying. By clicking on the green icon located on the bottom right corner of screen, users can access various features of AeroGCS GREEN such as waypoints, spacing, indentation, obstacle boundary, and route adjustment to carry out more precise and optimized spraying missions. Once parameters are set, you can click Save on the lower right corner of your screen. AeroGCS GREEN allows users to save multiple plans in existing projects, enabling them to perform multiple spraying missions. To begin, simply click on the home icon located on the dashboard. Select the previously saved project in which you wish to create multiple spraying missions. To create a new plot, click on the Plan button and select the previously saved plan. Click on Edit located on the lower right corner of your screen to proceed. Adjust the values of various parameters such as spray rate, spray altitude, flight speed and fence boundary in order to achieve precision spraying. Click on the green icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can access various features of AeroGCS GREEN such as waypoints, spacing, indentation, obstacle boundary, and route adjustment to carry out more precise and optimized spraying missions. Save a mapped plan, select Save. You can save the plan as new by selecting Create New Plan, or if any changes are done in the same plan, then the plan can add modifications to existing plan by selecting Save into Existing as per the need. Enter the name of the plan manually and save the plan in the created project. AeroGCS GREEN allows users to save multiple plots and plans in existing projects, enabling them to perform multiple spraying missions. To begin, simply click on the home icon located on the dashboard. Select the previously saved project in which you wish to create multiple spraying missions. To create a new plot, click on the Plot button and select the previously saved plot. Click on Edit to proceed. As per specific requirement of the application, you can select an appropriate option from RC, mobile, drone or map to plot the field. Once you have selected the appropriate option, proceed by adding points to the plot using the Add Point option. Navigate the map to mark the points. To save the mapped plot, select Save. Users can save the plot as new by selecting Create New Plot, or they can save the plot with added modification to existing plot by selecting Save into Existing as per their need. Thank you for watching AeroGCS GREEN tutorial video.